Welcome to another episode of Heavy Duty Dealer Academy. The contents of this episode are taken from a guide on our website entitled 6 Ways to Prepare Your Semi-Truck for Sale. The original guide is linked in the description of this episode. Ready to sell your semi-truck and upgrade to a shiny new model, or maybe you're on your way out of the industry? Before you put your rig on the market, there are a few crucial steps you should take to prepare it for sale to help maximize its value. 1. Fixing up your truck to maximize its value. If your commercial truck has any outstanding issues, this will decrease your pool of potential buyers and throw a wrench in the selling process. Fixing these issues up front will show that you've taken care of the truck and will increase its value. Before you do anything, take care of any necessary repairs or maintenance. Doing so will save you from the embarrassment of having a potential buyer point out a squeaky brake or a wonky turn signal. You should inspect a few key areas of the truck before putting it up for sale. Check the interior of the truck for any dents, scratches, or other damage to the body of the truck. Make sure that all of the lights and mirrors are in good working order. Inspect the tread on the tires to make sure that they have sufficient depth. Look for any signs of uneven wear or damage, carefully considering their cause. Check the oil level and make sure that there are no leaks or other issues that could pose problems. Look over the seats, dashboard, and any other interior surfaces to make sure that they are in good condition and free of any major damage or stains. If you find any issues during your inspection, take care of them before putting the truck up for sale. This will help to ensure that the truck is in good condition and will attract potential buyers. 2. Cleaning up your semi-truck for sale. Okay, your truck is purring like a kitten, but does it smell like a dog? A clean truck will make a great first impression. And don't forget about the inside of the cab as well. If that test drive smells like stale coffee and last summer's curly fries, that's not a promising takeaway for buyers. Here are some tips on how to wash your semi-truck for the big sale. Start by washing the interior of the truck using a high-pressure hose or power washer. Get into all the nooks and crannies to remove any crud, dirt, grime, gunk, and all other forms of mire. Use a soapy solution and a sponge or wash mitt to scrub the truck from top to bottom, paying special attention to any tough stains or areas of heavy dirt buildup. Rinse the truck thoroughly to remove any soap residue. Vacuum the floors and seats to remove any dirt or debris. Use a microfiber cloth and all-purpose cleaner to wipe down the dashboard, steering wheel, and other surfaces. If the truck has any chrome or stainless steel parts, use a specialized chrome cleaner to restore their shine and remove any tarnish or rust. Top it all off with wax or sealant to the exterior of the truck to protect the paint and give it a glossy finish. 3. Getting your truck documents in order for sale. Once you've cleaned and repaired the truck, it's time to gather all the necessary documentation. This includes maintenance records, ownership documents, and any other relevant paperwork. Having all this information readily available and in one place will make the buying process easier and smoother for both you and the potential buyer. This level of organization will instill the buyer with confidence and trust in you, and trust is key. Let's look at what kind of documentation you may consider collecting into one binder or folder in anticipation of selling your semi-truck. Title and registration. The title of the truck is a legal document that proves that you own the vehicle, and the registration shows that the truck is properly registered and licensed to be driven on public roads. Maintenance and repair records. Potential buyers will want to know that the truck has been properly maintained and that any necessary repairs have been made. Inspection reports. If the truck has undergone any recent inspections, such as a DOT inspection, you should provide copies of the inspection reports to potential buyers. Receipts for any upgrades or modifications. If you have made any upgrades or modifications to the truck, such as installing a new engine or adding a specialized trailer, you should provide receipts for these items. Having all of these documents on hand will help to provide potential buyers with the information they need to make an informed decision about purchasing your semi-truck. It will also help to protect your interests and ensure that the sale goes smoothly. Number 4. Photograph your semi-truck for sales listings. It's time to take some great photos of your truck. These photos will be the first thing potential buyers see when browsing listings, so make sure they're clear and show off the truck's best features. When you are preparing to sell a semi-truck, it is important to take good photographs that will help to showcase the truck to potential buyers. Here are a few tips for taking great photographs of your semi-truck. Arrange to take pictures of your semi-truck just after you've cleaned it inside and out. Use the highest quality camera you can. To get high-quality photographs, use a good quality camera with a high-resolution setting. Take photos from multiple angles. To give potential buyers a good sense of the truck, take photos from multiple angles including the front, the back, and both sides. Include close-up shots. In addition to general shots of the truck, include close-up shots of any features or details that you want to highlight, such as the engine or the interior of the cab. Use natural light. Whenever possible, use natural light to take your photographs. This will help to create more natural-looking images that showcase the truck in the best possible way. Consider highlighting some of the flaws that you don't plan on fixing before the sale. This will reduce the number of surprises a potential buyer can experience and save time for both of you. This will also help the customer feel that you're being upfront about any issues the truck may have. Become a heavy inventory photography pro. For more detailed instructions about photographing your semi-truck or heavy equipment for sale, we've created a helpful resource titled How to Photograph Commercial Vehicles and Heavy Equipment for Sale for you to help you. By following these tips, you can take great photographs of your semi-truck that will help to attract potential buyers and showcase the truck in its best light. Number 5. Price your semi-truck competitively. There are a few key factors to consider when determining a good selling price for your semi-truck. First, research the market value of similar semi-trucks in your area. Look at listings for trucks with similar make, model, and year to get an idea of the current market value. Take into account the condition of your truck. If your truck is in good condition with low mileage, you can likely ask for a higher price. However, if your truck has significant wear and tear or has high mileage, you may need to adjust the price accordingly. Another factor to consider is the demand for your particular truck. If there is a high demand for the make and model of your truck, you may be able to ask for a higher price. On the other hand, if there is a lower demand, you may need to adjust the price to be more competitive. Resist the temptation to simply go with the call for price option. This only creates a hurdle for buyers who may like your truck while others have prices listed. If anything, provide a price range that takes accessories into consideration. Finally, consider any unique features or upgrades your truck may have. If your truck has any special features or upgrades, such as a new engine or a custom interior, you can likely ask for a higher price. Overall, determining a good selling price for your semi-truck will require a combination of market research, consideration of the condition and demand for your truck, and evaluation of any unique features or upgrades. Selling a semi-truck can be a daunting task, but with a little preparation and creativity, you can make it a smooth and successful process. Number 6. List your semi-truck where it will be seen. Though you may be tempted to simply slap a for sale sign on the dashboard of your semi-truck and leave it on the side of the highway, it's not likely to catch many eyeballs. To increase the visibility of your semi-truck for sale, you need to list it with a marketplace that garners the attention of thousands of buyers looking for trucks just like yours. Fortunately, you've never had more options than you do today. From print classified marketplaces to interactive online marketplaces, you can put your truck in front of many who are looking for a truck just like yours. Helping sellers just like you since 1958. While you're considering where you spread the word about your truck, we hope you consider listing it with your friends from My Little Salesman. Since 1958, My Little Salesman has been connecting buyers and sellers of heavy equipment, semi-trucks, trailers, and much more. You are invited to list your semi-truck for sale today. Visit mylittlesalesman.com to get started.